for those who have lost their dad. He may be gone, but he is still with you. This Father's Day, there is a chair that will be empty, a phone that will not ring the way it used to, a name you might say quietly to yourself and feel the ache of missing someone who cannot answer back. This episode is not about celebrating a dad who is here. It is about honoring a dad who has gone ahead. And it is for you, the one who loves someone you can no longer hold. I want you to know that grief and gratitude can live in the same heart. You can miss your dad deeply and still celebrate who he was. You can feel the loss fully and still carry his love as the greatest gift he ever gave you. Both things are true at the same time, and both things are allowed. Think about what your dad gave you, not just the material things, the way he laughed, the way he said your name, the lessons, spoken and unspoken, the example he set, even if it was imperfect, the love he showed, even in the ways he did not know how to show it. That does not disappear when someone leaves this earth. It lives in you, in the way you move through the world, in the values you carry, in the moments when you catch yourself doing something exactly the way he did it, and you smile and you ache at the same time. He is in those moments. He is still teaching you. He is still with you. And if your relationship with your dad was complicated, if there was pain or distance or things left unsaid, I want to speak to you too. Grief is not only for perfect relationships. You are allowed to mourn what was. You are allowed to grieve what could have been. You are allowed to honor the man while still healing from the wounds. Both things are true, and you are allowed to feel all of it. But here is what I want to leave you with. Whatever your dad gave you, intentionally or not, you get to decide what you do with it. You get to take the love and multiply it. You get to take the lessons and build on them. You get to take the wounds and let them become wisdom. That is the greatest honor you can give to a father who has gone ahead. To live fully, to love well, to carry his best parts forward. He lives in you, not just in your memory. He lives in who you are becoming. On this Father's Day, if you are missing your dad today, it is okay to cry. It is okay to look at his photo and feel everything. It is okay to say his name out loud. It is okay to talk to him because love does not end. You are not alone in your grief, and you are not alone in your gratitude. To every dad who has gone ahead, thank you for the love you left behind. It is still changing lives. To everyone missing a dad today, you are held. You are loved. And the bond you shared, nothing ends that. Happy Father's Day. This one is for the dads watching from somewhere beautiful and for the hearts that still love them.